Welcome to AI Negotiation Unlocked, the podcast where we explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we negotiate. I'm Rosie Bailey, CEO of Nibble, the world's leading AI negotiation platform. Now, let's begin.
Can AI negotiate with another AI, and what happens?
It's something I'm asked a little bit, and I still don't know the answer. But I guess in the end it will happen, and I think it will happen, and I suspect what that will mean is it'll get to what's called Pareto maximum, which is two negotiations result in the pie being the biggest it possibly can be, so the greatest value outcome. I do worry about a little bit being lost in that emotional connection, because I can't see AI needing to make the same emotional connection as a human will. And I think at the end of the day, we're all about acting in situations where a very, very large corporate wants to speak to hundreds or thousands or hundreds of thousands of suppliers or customers, and making that connection through AI to AI means every single one of those small customers would need their own AI. And I think we're some way off that at the moment.
What's next for AI in contract negotiation and procurement?
I think the next thing is increasingly complex scenarios where you see multi-factor negotiations. So we're not talking about just price, just payment terms. We're talking about everything in balance and on a multi-year basis so that you can keep generating value. It's not seen as a one-time win. I think in order to do that, the technology today could handle the negotiation. That would be no problem. But I think the interaction between the business and the AI negotiation needs to get better. And I see a real need for the AI negotiator to take on unstructured data. Could be just an email between you and a supplier. And once you can actually see a situation where you could literally just drag and drop that unstructured data, the AI negotiator could get the context from your systems and then go out and do a negotiation for you with minimal need to set it up. I think that's where we need to get to.
And how will AI negotiation evolve in the next 3 to 5 years?
So I think it'll get more data. I think the negotiation itself happens in a bubble, if you like, and it needs data about who the supplier is or who the customer is, what their email address is, who to contact. It needs information about what they've done in the past, and it needs information about your objectives, like we want to save 5% this year. And I think the bit that will evolve is how we get that data and how we make sure that it's not a really big setup cost, but how that data comes seamlessly from your systems. And honestly, the thing that needs to change the most is trust. And that will only happen slowly as you see the results, that you see it doesn't happen outside your guardrails. And as you trust it more, you will use it more and more. Thanks for listening today to AI Negotiation Unlocked. If you're ready to take the next step in transforming your business operations and scaling your negotiations with AI, be sure to subscribe and leave us a review wherever you listen to podcasts. Want to learn more about how Nibble can empower your business? Visit us at nibbletechnology.com or follow us on social media for updates and insights. Stay curious, keep innovating, and we'll see you next time on AI Negotiation Unlocked.